Is your company world class? Are you building the types of teams and organization you need in order to thrive in this ultra competitive market? At Redbeard Solutions and Destination Employer, we espouse the destination employer methodology, which means that we work with our clients to develop a reputation in the market as a location where the very best can go to 10x their careers. What do you get out of that? You get the type of teams that consistently work at a very, very high level, that outlast standard retention models that other companies see, and that give you access to the type of hidden top talent that typically resists outreach from smaller, less well-known companies. So I ask again, are you building the type of company you need to succeed? My team and I created a company assessment for you. This is a scaled down version of one of the services that we offer. We take the destination employer methodology, we break it into 3 component parts: attract, recruit, and retain, and we give you 5 questions to answer in each. This will give you some strong insight as to whether you're laying the foundation for a rocket ship to take off of, or the type of foundation that a house sinks into. So check it out for free on the destinationemployer.co website under the page Free Guides. Again, this is a chance for you to assess your own company at your own pace and determine whether you're building the type of an organization that creates raving fans and scared competitors.